Okay, hello guys, this is Dr. Cool introducing Mr. Cool cleaning solution for aluminum and many other metals that are extremely dirty. You can see this one right here that is extremely dirty, and you can see how this whole thing is going very clean, like as if it's brand new. The reality there is you can't even differentiate the difference between a used one and a brand new after using the solution to wash your radiator, your condenser, or any some sort of method that have too much grimes on it. So you can see I just decided to shoot it so you can be able to see before and after. You can see a huge difference between the left and the right as we go along. So like seriously, I believe you can see how the extreme result we're having right now, and that's all coming from Mr. Cool cleaning solution. So I've used this to wash AC compressor before, I've used it to wash alternator, and today radiator. Next I'm gonna be doing condenser, extremely dirty condenser. You can see, oh my goodness, you can see how clean that is. So I'm gonna be doing AC condenser that's extremely dirty on my next video. And what should I say, if you like this, subscribe to my channel for some other tutorials like this on how to clean extremely dirty radiator, condenser, compressor, engine detailing. The reality there is I have a lot of things to do, but on engine detailing I can't go into any engine detailing right now, so I'm just trying to show you most of these ones that are very difficult to actually handle, because your hand can't go into cleaning these fins, your hand can't go into cleaning them. So these are my solution. My cleaning solution is the best for this, and the result is highly astronomical, as you can see on the screen right here. So this is not a YouTube trick. This is not the clickbait thing. This is a pure solution taking out a problem right here. So guys, you guys should tell me what you think on the comment below the section. I think I've seen one American guy did this before. I think maybe the both of us share secrets. You know, it's all about secrets. It's about keeping a great secret. That's what this whole thing is all about. You can see that dark spot right there. I feel with oil and grimes. Got it all cleaned out, and this thing is looking so sparkling clean, like mint. You know, I can say less because it works great. When I use this to actually get this done, I actually do this as a bonus on the customer's radiator because I see it very extremely dirty and terribly looking. So I decided to give it this clean wash using my solution. So when she saw it, it was a mind-blowing thing. You know, I couldn't record her reaction because she actually wasn't here when I was doing it, but later when I got to deliver the car, it was all fine. So what do you have to lose? To subscribe. I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.